Hello friends. We are living in interesting times. After the March 2020 pandemic broke out, the global central banks and central governments ensured that we have enough liquidity in the system so that there is no economic crisis as a fallout of the pandemic. What it has done is that lots of liquidity has caused equity markets to rally, real estate to rally, and also of course the global and domestic and developed markets to rally. We've seen investors' interest in the markets also go up. The testimony to that is that the number of demat accounts in India is going up very sharply. We are seeing India's volumes, traded volumes also going up very sharply. And it is very heartening to see that the Indians are not only wanting to invest in the Indian equities, but also are looking at investing outside. And it is no surprise because India forms just about 3% of the overall market cap. The rest is outside. There are many large companies which are outside of India and which you as an investor may want access to. In that extension, we are very happy to launch the ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund. Nasdaq 100 Index, as you are aware, is made up of those companies, non-financial companies which are into the technology space and are household names, right? Apple, Microsoft, Facebook, Netflix. I mean, from morning to evening, if I have to see, many of these companies are touched upon by me, my children, all of us, right? So, be it from education perspective to entertainment perspective, even coffee, Starbucks is also part of the Nasdaq universe. So, the way we see it is that from a diversification perspective, many investors are looking at investing outside, and there is an advantage to it as well. You get, whenever the rupee depreciates, you get that advantage as well. And also, geographical diversification is something which is helpful to the overall portfolio balance. There are times when India does very well, there are times when US markets will do well, and hence from a portfolio mix, this is a healthy balance which can bring in. As per your overall asset allocation, as per what you are allowed to invest in equity, you can choose to participate in the NFO of the ICICI Prudential Nasdaq 100 Index Fund, and we truly believe that by having this geographical diversification as well as participating in those companies which touch upon our lives day to day, morning to evening, we can create an overall portfolio which is healthy for the long term and helps achieve our goal. If you basically want geographical diversification into companies which touch upon our day to day lives, we believe the Nasdaq 100 fits your overall portfolio very well. And as we move along in the next few years, as these companies keep growing and they become a bigger part of our life, we can also be basically making them a part of your investment journey. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.